Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I've got another Lamborghini which is the first one in my collection. You'll be surprised to know that I do not have any Lamborghini Revuelto by Mini GT so far. So this is my first model and it's in this iconic Arancio Dark Lucido color scheme. So that is pretty cool. From what I understand, the Arancio ones are usually this orangish kind of cars, and for me it's very nice because I really like having cars in their iconic colors. Like, you've got the yellow Lambos and you've got the orange Lambos. They are always so special. So this is one of those. Number 774. Over here we've got the logo as well as the hologram of Lamborghini, which signifies that yes, this is an official licensed product. Lamborghini logo here also, and over here we've got the warning that this is for 14 plus only. Quickly we'll just unbox it and we'll have a look at the model in detail. So as soon as I take this model out of the packaging, one thing which I realize is that the paint is very bright. However, I have unboxed a couple of other Lamborghinis in recent times, like the Aventador SVJ in Verde Shock. So it had a matte paint finish, and then I unboxed the Viola 30th Countach. So that one had a very metallic paint finish. This one is bright, it's proper glossy. So 3 different Lambos and all of them have got different paint finishes, which is also something which lends a lot of uniqueness to the model which you are collecting. Now that I've spoken about the paint, I think it's a good one, and also the black bits, like the black wheels you can see from the side angle. The shape of the wheels, it's very nicely done. They have got the Lamborghini logo right in the center. They are very freely rolling. And they are black in color, which is a very nice contrast to the orange body. Very nice black and orange combination. Now if I have to show you the mirrors, slightly flexible, not too flexible, so be a little careful. These look like they are flexible, but they are not very. Be a little careful with these. This part over here, this is so good. I mean, you look at this pointy end, oh my god. The level of detail and the sharpness which they have achieved it, definitely worth appreciating. Now we come on to the front. And the front end of the Revuelto is not something which is very easy to replicate. This reminds us a lot of the new McLarens. They also have got a very specific shape of the headlight. This is very similar, however they have done a good job and it's visible. Like the headlamp detailing, it is right there in your face. When we come on here, the top angle is always nice in any Lamborghini because they have got some great details over here, and this one also, it's got some great details over here at the back. And also the black accents, as I said, they had a very nice contrast. Finally we come on to the tail lamps. These are also very well done. Of course, this is a bright orange car, so the red tail lamps, they are getting a bit camouflaged, what you can call. However, what really steals the show at the rear has to be the exhaust detail. That is so good and pretty loud in your face. The car has got some great carbon fiber details, like over here at the side. Around the engine covering also you've got the carbon fiber details, and finally over here at the rear, this is all pure carbon fiber finish. This car has got one of the smoothest bases I've seen in a long time. Very smooth base, just the necessary details, not too many other things to look at. Metallic base of course, and rubber tires. So this is it guys. First Revuelto in my collection. I'm really happy that it is in this iconic shade, which is very close to Lamborghini's heritage. And also the details, I am pleasantly surprised, because these modern cars, especially as I talked about the McLaren or even this one, they have got such specifically shaped headlamps and tail lamps and all the other details that when you think about it, it feels like it must be very difficult to replicate it in such a small size. But they have done a good job luckily, and the car is not an eyesore. It's very nice. I personally like it. Let me know what do you think about it. I'm pretty sure you must be having one of these from earlier. Do you like it? What are your thoughts about this? And do you plan to add this particular specification to your collection? Let me know all of that in the comments. Thanks for watching.